Imagine owning a property steps to Cobourg Beach, where your business, your investment, and your lifestyle all work together. Welcome to Units 108, 208, and 308 of Beachwalk Flats. Just moments from the harborfront, marina, and historic downtown, this modern multi-use building offers a premium commercial space plus two beautifully designed two-bedroom residential units. The commercial unit features soaring ceilings and oversized windows that create a bright, contemporary space perfect for your business. With 20 high-end residential suites above, you will have built-in customer base and steady traffic from locals and tourists who flock to the waterfront year-round. The two residential units above offer modern layouts, stylish industrial aesthetic, and a strong rental appeal, ideal for steady rental income or flexible use in a neighborhood buyers and visitors love. Just when you thought these units had it all, the private rooftop terrace adds impressive views of Lake Ontario and a modern outdoor space designed for relaxing and entertaining. Beachwalk Flats delivers location, visibility, and long-term value in one of the top waterfront communities. If you are looking for a smart investment in Cobourg's thriving beach district, this is the opportunity you don't want to miss.